Hello learners! In previous video we learned to render a HTML page and pass data to it from Django. In today's video we will learn to implement for loop. So to learn about for loops, let's create some list in views to display and use for loop conditions. Here, I am inputting any random number. You can too. Now making a list which includes strings. Here too I am taking any random names. For that type. Let's run the server to see the output. And we can see our list is being displayed. As we have used the div, each element is displayed on a new line. ABR is used to make a one-line gap in between. Now let's try displaying our list containing strings. For that type. Let's check it on our page. We can see our names has been displayed. Now let's see some functions of for loops. These are some of the basic functions. Let's try them. Our first function is for loop.counter. This function is written exactly same as our variable. And our names are displayed along with a counter. Now let us see our second function counter 0. And our names are displayed along with a counter starting from 0. Let us see our third function revCounter. This function displays the number along the name in reverse order. Let's see the fourth function, rev counter 0. This function displays the number along the name in reverse order ending at 0. Our next function is first. This functions give the first element true and rest of all the elements false. Next function is last. In this function, all the elements are given false. Only the last element is true. Let's try printing a complete dictionary in table. Make a list containing various dictionary. Enter elements or sample data. Here I have taken name, age, and city. As we have made a data, let's make a table view in our HTML. The TH tag indicates table heading. Now let's make a for loop for the data to insert in table. For that, type here the TR tag denotes table row and the TD tag denotes table data. We see our table has been created and the dictionary data in view.py is displayed here. Let's give our table a border. By commenting out the data, we can only see the table heading. To make a border for our table, type inside the table tag. we can see the border created around the heading. Now uncomment the data. Hence we can see the data in the table is bordered too.